This is Max Park's 3.13 3x3 world record single, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. He does white cross, starts with 2 of the edges, inserts the green, D2 inserts the blue, which also pairs up that corner. Then he inserts the orange and blue edge, does another D, and then inserts the red and green edge, which makes a double X cross. He then has a free green and orange pair, and then puts in the last pair by doing that algorithm. Then he has a 7-move OLO. That gives him a PLL skip with no AUF. Park's 3.13 3x3 world record single.